Hello fans, welcome to Sub YouTube channel. If this is the first time watching our channel, please do well to subscribe. You've seen that people are making huge sum of money on Yo.fan. So what you need to do is, if this is the first time watching our channel, you can do to subscribe on our channel. Okay, what we want you to do is, if your account is not showing ads, for instance, just like this. Okay, yo.fan/latest, yo.fan/latest, or the latest update. Like this, it is not showing ads anymore. This is a kind of old account that used normally show ads before, that was fully verified. Okay, we want to log in to the email. So what we need to do is we will secure the account. It's going to log in. So if this is the first time of watching our channel, please do well to subscribe to Soft YouTube channel. Okay, we'll take you back. This is our channel. Go to Soft YouTube channel and subscribe. If you are first time viewer, just subscribe to our channel. Okay, it is live. For instance, you have an account like this that is not showing ads. What you need to do is, one, it's a very shocking news that you have to go back and you have to go back like this. Okay, this one is now displaying ads now. Okay, there are sometimes you open the account, it look as if it's not showing ads. It's a surprising news that it's not showing ads, but sometimes just keep it. Or if you are so desperate to have the money, okay, what you need to do, we don't want this video to elapse 3 minutes. So what you want you to do is, you start afresh. It's sad, but you have to start afresh. Or you can, sometimes it's from their platform. You can also go back and be checking on daily basics, or open incognito tab like this and put your yo.fan URL. It may pop up. Sometimes it may be from cookies. So what you need to do is for you to change, clear the browsing history, then it may work out for you. So all what we want is for you to open another account, get the 50 subscribers or subscribe. So that is those subscribe are the followers. Just get 50 emails. You can do that opening email without phone number, using incognito tabs. Then as you're opening, you're following your account, or you join Facebook accounts, so as to get this result done. Okay, there's no too big deal about it. Then concerning the loading, you can chat me privately and get it done. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.